Right. For things that could be very rare that you would never see in a typical clinical trial, even if you had 10,000, 20,000 people in the clinical study.
Because it's 1 in a million or 1 in 10 million.
Right. And so there's some noise because these things are voluntarily reported, and sometimes things do happen by coincidence.
That's what the V stands for, volunteer.
Right.
Look at that.
No, V stands for vaccine.
Yeah, Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System.
So this relies entirely on someone knowing it exists, logging on, and typing in some effect.
Right.
Adverse effect.
It's often healthcare providers who will log it. They'll say the person got this vaccine.
Oh, good. So
they had this.
there's a professional in the loop.
Yeah. Right.
Very good to know that.
But just because it's in the system doesn't mean it's necessarily related. It's a starting point for investigation, and that's where it goes wrong. People will say, look how many reports there were in the system. But of course, what happens if you vaccinate 30 million children, some of those children are going to have other things happen to them.
That are unrelated.
Oh,
But
of course.
That may be related.
That might be related, or they may not be.
There's some rare other thing that
Right.
it's time coincident with,
Yeah.
and there's not a cause and effect.
Right.
And so it's critical to have to identify when there are true signals. You can't rely on it to show that vaccines are dangerous for XYZ.
Right. Yes.
Interesting.
Tell me if I'm wrong here. When the COVID vaccine arrived, and it wasn't yet enough for everybody, so they did first responders and then teachers, I think that rollout felt sensible to me. All of us who remembered things like the polio vaccine and the smallpox vaccine fully expected that once you got that vaccine, you would never get COVID again.